Health sector through food. See, no soda, no Ajinomoto, no refined oils, no white salt, no green chili. It's a pure and clean, I would say. But see, whatever you prepare fresh, that will be always good compared to any packed food. So that is the pattern they used to follow. And 99% of the ingredients we procure from our native, from Shivagara and Shumaga belt, not in Bangalore. This is a red salt, unprocessed. It's not like regular white salt. It's unprocessed and very healthy. But in Bangalore, it's a commercially we are the first who started this. See, not only your tummy, even your soul will say thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
People die to eat this.
Correct.
So your entire focus is to provide healthy.
Right. And it's prepared from jaggery, no sugar in it, and it's very healthy. And we have worked a lot on that, and very carefully we have designed all this menu.
I can see that.
Recipes are, first of all, it has come from our grandma. That's the reason we have mentioned it's a grandma's recipe. So we have enhanced it. So based on the current marketing trend.
I cannot stop eating this. Peanuts. This one tastes like grandma's recipe. Just looking like a wow. We are here to drink Tambuli in Tambuli Mane today. So you must be wondering what's this Tambuli? I'll tell you what. Tambuli is a cool aid which people in southern part of India enjoy as a condiment with rice or a side dish or enjoy it as it is. And it has n number of health benefits and can be made in n number of flavors. And finally, somebody has bought this to the stores. I will be taking you on a tour to Tambuli Mane to drink and learn about Tambuli today. Come with me. We will also be chatting with Karthik Sridhar, who is the founder of this brand, and we'll also get to know what are his visions regarding this. Hi Sridhar, welcome to
Hi.
Freedom App English. This is a very interesting and unique idea which I have clearly never come across in Karnataka. So where did the vision start and how did you come up with Tambuli Mane?
Okay. First of all, hi. My name is Karthik Sridhar. See, as you asked, see, this vision started from our native. See, because Tambuli is our regular beverage and it can be consumed even with the rice also. So this has been a practice since my childhood. You know, my grandparents, they used to start meal with the Tambuli and rice first, then rice sambar, then it ends with the curd rice. So that is the pattern they used to follow, and it has got so many medicinal values so that you don't have to go for any medicines at all. So then we realized, okay, it has got such a values in it, then why can't we introduce to people who are not really aware about this? So especially in Bangalore, if you take, see, people are in very hectic schedule and they are just eating whatever is available outside, and nowadays the food is like full of oil, bad oil, Ajinomoto, tasting powders, everything. So if you eat outside, so indirectly you will have some problems with food, stomach problems. So then we realized, okay, let's get this particular thing introduced to people, and which is a clean food concept. Actually, we would say we are in a health sector through food. Because see, whatever the food you take here, be it tambuli or rice bowl or sandwich, salad, whatever it is, everything helps to improve your health. So that is the visionary behind this.
Oh, so all the items on your menu are based on the diet?
Right. See, no soda, no Ajinomoto, no refined oils, no white salt, no green chili. So all the ingredients, whatever we use, it's a pure and clean, I would say. And 99% of the ingredients we procure from our native, from Shivagara and Shumaga belt, not in Bangalore. Okay, see, out of 40, so daily we'll keep 10 varieties. We keep shuffling the varieties, and each one has its own health benefits. Say, if you take turmeric, it is good to eliminate your stomach worm, and it's an antibiotic. Everybody knows about that. And if you take palak, this is good to keep your body cool in case of excess of heat or something. So like that, each one has its own unique health benefits, and all this data, whatever that we have collected, this is from the Ayurvedic doctor. This is not a Google data. This is a properly verified and validated data.
Whose recipes are these?
Recipes are, first of all, it has come from our grandma. That's the reason we have mentioned it's a grandma's recipe. So we have enhanced it. So based on the current marketing trend. Because in the olden days we used to prepare it with a curd and used to eat this with a rice. but now we have just tweaked it. So instead of curd, we use buttermilk, and we made it in a drinkable consistency. So that instead of having any carbonated or aerated drinks outside, they can drink Tambuli.
Absolutely, yeah. I think it's worth the money.
See here, I'll just show you. See, this is the write-up that we have kept in our outlet, and it has got all the details in it. See, whatever the Tambulis we prepare, it has the details. If you go through this, then you will understand what is the benefit that you get out of it. So why should you drink this particular Tambuli? Nightshade Tambuli, whatever that I have given to you. So it's helpful to reducing the mouth ulcers.
Oh.
So if you have mouth ulcer, excess of heat, then you don't have to go to medical store. Rather, you better visit here and drink our Tambuli. So eventually it will reduce that and it will cool down your body. So that's the concept. People can follow our Insta page also. So there also we keep giving the details. So which Tambuli you should drink for what. And we are educating people. So that's the reason I mentioned that we are in health sector. Tetra packs are already there. But see, whatever you prepare fresh, that will be always good compared to any packed food. So the main concept here, if you look at this, it hardly has 2 liters of Tambuli.
Yeah.
So as soon as it gets over, we will prepare it and we'll pour it here. We don't prepare in the morning and keep it till night. So we just keep 2-3 liters of Tambuli each, and as soon as it gets over, we will prepare it freshly. So our concept is to serve it fresh. So 80% people are not really aware of this. They say, okay, no, I just want to try. So after trying, when they are going back, we'll ask how was it. Then they are super happy. And their feedbacks are so good. Even yourself, you are not aware about those Tambuli, but now you liked it.
Yeah, I love it.
Right. See, our main task is to create a awareness among the people. So people should be aware of Tambuli. Then they will like it. Yeah, as I was mentioning, see, this is Gokarna salt. This is a red salt, unprocessed. You can just take it and you can, taste it one. Just, eat it. It's different actually. It's not like regular white salt. It's unprocessed and very healthy. So we use these kind of ingredients for our Tambuli.
Okay.
And even we don't use green chili also, which is acidic. Rather, we use bird's eye chili. Even many call it as a jeera chili or
small one.
Small one. It's very small and it's very spicy, but that's very good for health. So we use these kind of ingredients to prepare Tambuli. And the exotic leaves, I would say, because you will not get it in any supermarket or anywhere. We'll have to source it from our native. We have to find it. We have to procure it. So that's the team we have. We have a mechanism to do that. So we get fresh leaves from our native, and this is for you.
So you get the raw materials from
we get once in 2 days.
Once in 2 days.
Yeah.
So the cost is efficient that wise, or if you get it from somewhere
Here,
nearby?
there is no option. Where do you get? You will not get any of these leaves here. Hardly, see, out of 40, you may get some 5 to 6 leaves here.
Okay.
Maybe palak, or drumstick leaves, or pudina.
Okay. Oh, drumstick also.
Drumstick leaves.
Oh, drumstick leaves.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, if you name it, maybe some 5 to 6 variety, or maybe 7-8 varieties you may get it in Bangalore. But what about others? All others, even you wouldn't have even heard of. We call it as Ottumadike, Chakramuni soppu, sandalwood leaves, okay, and kaki soppu, Yelavarige, okay, and the list goes on, okay, that you will not even find it anywhere here. So that is our core strength. So you cannot even, if you want to prepare at home, you will not be able to get these leaves. So that's why we are here. That's why we urge to people that you come here, you will get a healthy Tambulis, drink, and eventually your health will improve. That's the point.
Can I know what are the few best sellers Tambulis here?
Okay, see, best sellers are like mango ginger. This is the highest. Next comes the raw mango. Then sandalwood leaves. That is not there today. And vandalga. See, this Brahmi, right? Vandalga. In the olden days, our grandma and grandpa, they used to give vandan leaves every day. We are supposed to eat that so that our memory power will increase, the stress level will be decreased. Actually, even olden days, they used to give to all the kids. Nowadays, all those traditions are gone. So people are running behind international schools. That's inevitable.
Processed food.
And everything is fast. People don't have time. Fast. Everything is quick. So we are losing all this. That's the reason we are back. So this is nati Brahmi leaves, not the hybrid one. So we prepare Tambuli out of that, and this is very good for your memory power, and as well as it reduces your stress and anxiety levels.
Yeah. So all these recipes are from Malnad region, tropical. That's tropical rainforest region in Karnataka. So all these are from Malnad region.
Right.
So, and when you say these recipes are your own, nobody prepares it.
No, it's not like that. Even people are preparing it in that belt.
Okay.
So it's a regular diet actually. It's a part of a regular meal there. But in Bangalore, and it's a commercially, we are the first who started this.
So Tambuli Mane is not only just for Tambulis, they also have other interesting things on their menu which Karthik will definitely take us through. Let's see.
See, this is a Malnad rice, not the regular one, whatever that you get here. So adding to that, this is our trademark pickle. So tender mango pickle and salad. So we give this with the this tambuli. So for rice, we prepare separate tambuli which will be bit thick.
Oh.
So all these tambulis will be in a drinking format. It will be little thick so that you can mix it with rice and you can consume. So we just, people are eating California burrito, Mexican rice ball, like that. We want them to eat tambuli rice ball because it's very
Excellent.
healthy and very tasty. I want you to taste this.
Absolutely, I'm waiting.
It's a kind of sattvic food. So it is very good for your stomach and your health.
And also very yummy.
Yeah.
Very simple yet very,
Very
yummy.
simple. Right. So that's the concept.
Yeah.
See, this is the reason I mentioned we are in health sector, because see, not only your tummy, even your soul will say thank you.
Yeah. Wow. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So adding to this, we have one more special dessert from Malnadu. See, this is, we call it as a Turdevu. This is prepared from rice flour, and this pot, it will be different kind of pot that will be kept ulta, and on top of that they'll prepare it. So the batter will be like very watery. So on top of the pot they'll prepare it. So this one is very crispy. You can just taste one. I'll mix.
I've seen the making of this.
Yeah. So it has to be mixed. It gets very crunchy and crispy.
What do you call this?
Turdevu.
Tordevu.
Yeah.
You know the place where I come from, we call it Mandike.
Right. People cut as
Yeah.
also. Yeah.
So this is a delicacy in weddings.
Okay.
People die to eat this.
Correct. Even many are calling it as a mandige, few call it as a angu, but we call it as a tordevu. So it's depending upon the area, and it's prepared from jaggery, no sugar in it, and it's very healthy. In our tradition, so we add just ghee and milk to it,
Okay.
and we drink it. That's all. Okay, I'll show you one more variety of sweet, which is very famous in our belt, Shirsi Siddhapur side, and we prepared it using the original kesari, no color in it. Yeah. See, this is a famous Sannaki kesari. Even many call it as a Manjuni Sannaki kesari. Okay, see, this is prepared from the special type of rice. So that rice is used to prepare kesari bath only, and it has only kesar in it. Kesar, ghee, sugar, and rice. No color. All these colors, it has come from original kesar. Just taste it.
I'm loving it.
And the flavor is totally different.
Just like grandma's recipe.
Adding to this, we have sandwich also, two type of sandwich, where that sandwich is designed with the help of dietitians. Because see, we are giving all this healthy, and we did not want to serve cheese, mayonnaise and cream. So we just wanted to avoid that. So rather we use Greek yogurt and tofu sandwich. And second one is walnut butter sandwich, where we use peanut butter, almond butter, banana, honey, and everything is with the whole wheat bread.
Okay. So your entire focus is to provide healthy.
Right. And fresh salads. So sprouted salads, vegetable salads, and banana stem salads.
Banana stem salad.
Right. Banana stem is very good for health, you know, so that clears even the kidney stones. So even Ayurvedic doctors suggest you to eat this at least once in a while. So that clears all kidney related issues, and even including kidney stone.
Oh, okay.
And even we prepare tambuli also out of banana stem, and we have salad also. So these are the wide range of offerings that we have, and everything is into health. So we don't use soda, we don't use color, we don't use tasting powder, we don't use even white salt also. So all the ingredients is very, what do you say, the concentration is given, and we have worked a lot on that, and very carefully we have designed all this menu.
I can see that. I can see how much you worked on the menu. So we also met a very happy customer of Tambuli Mane here in Tambuli Mane itself. We'll get to know about this from him itself. So,
Hi.
sir.
I've been heard about this one, and I've tasted in my younger days, right from birth, in many locations, either in a village level or in a different towns level. Basically, this is famous in South Canara. South Canara district has got a more potential. People, they like it, and they prepare at hotels also. This Tambulis. Tambulis has got various varieties of the greens, and they convert it to two different types. One is the cold one, other one is the hot one, which I used to enjoy right from all South Canada to the still Markera. Then Bangalore, I have not found any outlets here. Just 2 days back, I have tasted it in one of my cousin's place. It was very good. It was a cold Tambuli. I have tasted 2 varieties. Both were very good. Today I was passing by. I was going to one of my co-brother's house. Let me give a taste of Tambuli to them also. That's why I am taking a couple of different tastes and just to get the feedback from them also.
Lovely.
And, anything else
So
want
you
me to-
just love the
No, I love it.
in
I love it.
stores
I
now.
enjoy it.
In stores.
Yeah.
Tambulis are available in stores now.
Yeah, I know. It's
Yeah.
good. It's very good. I took the address. I stay here only. I took the address and I was passing by. I picked up a couple of different tastes of the Tambulis.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
So I'm going to now eat Todadevu, which also is known by different names across the state and which is believed to be a delicacy, which is a little bit soggy now, but I'm sure it will still taste amazing. I cannot stop eating this. Also, this is rice bowl again, which is very, very yummy, and this tambuli has groundnuts in it, peanuts. I'm gonna just mix it with a little bit of pickle and a little bit of salad. Just looking like a wow. Now, this is kesari bhat, which everybody is clearly aware of, but this one tastes like grandma's recipe. Voila. So this is another drink Karthik has given me to taste, which apparently is kokum tea, which smells great. It's really hot. I'll just taste it. I can sense a taste of garlic and chili and kokum. Like he said, it's wonderful. I mean, it's really nice. Also tastes like a soup without any vegetables, just hot soup. So, what are your visions?
Okay.
Talk about this brand.
See, with these wide range of products, I want to take it to the next level. So it's not a one outlet, it should be a chain. So as per our projections, so we will be opening 10 more outlets in Bangalore in this financial year. And next financial year, as per our plan, we are going to step out of Bangalore. So that's what we are working on it. So either it be franchisee model or it can be own outlets. So if we have any VC or investors are interested, quite interested, then probably we can take investment and we can grow.
Oh my god, you should be going to Shark India. Shark Tank.
Yeah, of course, I have
You should
applied
be
for
going to
it.
Shark Tank India.
I have applied, I'm awaiting a reply from them.
Oh, I wish you all the very best, Karthik.
Thank you.
This was a very great interview personally for me because I got to taste a lot of delicacies, and I wish you all the very best for your upcoming projects. Thanks for interviewing with Freedom app.
Yeah, thank you.